Sí, ¿estamos? Stock is very important. Stock is very important. And this caldo, se llama caldo. This is like 100, like 99% of success of your paella when you have good stock. You have two options. You can buy your stock, and well, depends where you're from, what kind of stock your market can offer. This is one thing. Yeah. Another thing, so best of course is to cook stock. When you cook your stock, you're trying to make it as concentrated as possible. And how I do it, like I have like long video about how to do stock, but like few like tips, few details. Normal my ingredients that I usually use. I take monkfish head. Yeah, like maybe if you don't have monkfish head, so take another white fish head with bones, like skillet. Yeah. You will put this head and these bones on tray, and you will bake it in oven for, let's say, like 20 minutes to extract some fat. Yeah, that fat you can save it if you don't need it right away, but you can, if you do all together, you can fry right away your vegetables with that fat. So you will take carrot, you will take onion. Don't cut it in big pieces. Don't cut it in small pieces. Pieces could be quite big, because then later you can remove easier these pieces from the pot. So this one thing. Then at the same time, you would take, like for this big paella that we cook for 10 people, you would take like around maybe like 6 tomatoes. Put again on the tray. Like normal raw tomatoes with skin and everything. Don't cut them, and then you will take like two heads of garlic. You will cut it like crosswise, just open it, yeah, and the same tray and oven again, yeah, again about maybe 20-30 minutes to give this smoked flavor to your tomatoes, like to bake them a little bit, and and then what all things that you have, these heads of fishes, your tomato, your fried vegetables, you will put all together in a big pot. Then you would take bunch of prawns, shell on, raw, like let's say for a big paella like ours, let's say like maybe 15, yeah? So shell on, then bunch of mussels, and you will fill it with cold water and simmer for approximately 1 hour. You don't need to do it longer. In the middle of the process, pinch of saffron, several I use Niora pepper that you can find in all my videos, but instead you can take paprika, like a teaspoon of paprika you can put there as well, and no salt. And simmer 1 hour, and then you can stay only with liquid, or you can leave vegetables. These vegetables that you have in big pieces, your carrot, your onion, you can take them out, blend them, and bring them back, yeah, to make your stock thicker. And easy, yeah, so good luck. Good luck with cooking your paella. Ciao, kisses from Barcelona.
I understand.